by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, it proved the night that our flag was still there. Oh, Satan's and star-spangled banner yet for the land of the free and the
Ladies and gentlemen, the Lonestar Fireworks Festival invites you to pause with us in solemn gratitude. We take this moment to honor all active duty service members and veterans, those who have served, those who continue to serve, and especially those who have made the ultimate sacrifice. It is because of their courage, their commitment, and their selflessness that we are able to gather freely today. And events like this, filled with joy, community, and celebration, are only possible because of the freedoms that they have protected. So as we prepare for this special tribute, we ask that you please remain standing. This tribute is not only a tradition, it is a promise to remember, to honor, to never take for granted the cost of liberty. Thank you.